Alright. Yeah, there you go. Shit.
Yeah, she likes farmland. I know she likes it.
There's a bunch of recon, so.
Yeah.
Targets are up. Go take them down. Targets are up. Go take them down.
Where is this fucking recon? Is it on the roof of the building? Oh, it's right outside.
Got a red card. Got a red card.
Check your map.
Nice, we can hit the thing down by the prison.
Capture it for
That's what I was
information on
thinking.
the
That's
next
what I was
death
thinking.
grid. Precision airstrike ready for tasking.
Mine's purple. Fuck yours. Alright, I'm ready for this recon. There's people down there on you green.
Oh, shit.
Two of them.
Oh, shit.
Two of them. You didn't stand no fucking chance. I'm doing my fucking dance. To you standing no fucking chance.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Don't fucking shoot at me, you fucking
Guys,
We gotta go over there to that fucking spot. Have we fucking been up in here, dude?
Ooh.
Hit me.
Reloading.
Oh, you dirty bastard. Dirty bastard. Ooh.
Yeah. Fucking dropped the fucking bomb on us right at that fucking moment.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Dude, I'm getting hit from fucking 6 sides right now. Fuck. I need backup. Backup.
I got you. I got you.
I got you.
Yeah, we're coming.
She's got you. Got you.
Thanks.
Yeah, everybody and their mom showed up right then and there.
Oh, I was right behind you.
Okay.
Don't make me call you out. Come on. Be a nice guy. She was right behind you.
I know, she had my back.
And your front.
Yep.
Had me covered.
Get to the safe zone.
I had you covered. Like a Jimmy hat.
Reloading.
Oh, hi, fucker.
Stole my kill, thank
I
you.
helped you.
Yeah, stole my kill, thank
I
you.
never want to hear that I didn't help you. Shut the fuck up. I don't want to hear that shit.
I'm just playing. There's no such thing as stealing kills. I told y'all that.
I'm gonna steal all your kills now.
You're like,
Do it.
Just to be a shit.
Hey, if it keeps me alive, I don't really care. Do you think I can secure it in 42 seconds though by myself?
I don't see why not.
Okay, because it's like halfway there.
They keep throwing grenades. Piece of shit.
Kill point captured. Well done, great work. Check your map.
Alright, let's go open up the fucking prison bunker and get some cash. That one's a good one over there.
Capture it for the next
Yeah.
Before the circle closes. Turn for the vault.
Someone's got a helicopter.
Uh-oh.
I'll pick up yellow. Yellow, do you want to roll with us?
Sure.
Reinforcing armor.
That dude was suicidal shooting at me. Like, he's like, I want to go die, so he starts shooting at me.
I'm reloading. Changing mags.
Castro?
I have a red key card.
Oh, you do?
The fuck?
Somebody has a blue
Yeah,
one.
I
Somebody
bet.
has
I
a
picked
blue
one.
one.
Castro
a
has
blue
the red
one.
one.
You have a blue one.
You have a blue one. We can hit a blue
I have
bunkie
a-
next.
I have a...
Yeah, you have it. It's right underneath your name. Now you don't have it underneath your name.
Must have dropped it. Not aware that you could put her in it.
You know, like it showed up as red and then it
Oh,
turned into
gas.
a blue card.
Oh,
I've had
damn.
that happen before.
Damn.
Oh shit, I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Yeah, we gotta go.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
we gotta go.
Yeah, I thought there'd be a mask.
Gas mask either.
No gas mask.
Oh, we're
No
gonna
gas mask. Shit. Shit.
No, I'm not.
We all died. I can't get out of here. I can't even get up. Oh, I went the wrong way, dude. I should.
Oh shit, I went the
Oh,
wrong way
I
too.
was almost
Fuck.
out of it, but I fucking, that was horrible.
Reinforcing armor. Reinforcing armor.
We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Damn! Damn!
Boss Mama fucking got in the car I seen and started driving. That was the worst idea ever. I did not see the gas coming in. I should have looked at the clock.
Failed. You lost the objective.
That's all on me, guys.
Fight to earn redeployment.
I got 6 rounds before I fight.
We're all in the gulag. We're all in the
If they
gulag.
survive, they redeploy.
I'm not.
Squad mate has entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy.
Thinking about
You make
where
it out
we're
of
gonna
there?
start off.
Yeah, I made it out.
Yeah, I think I left him on accident at first. I didn't mean to.
You're good.
But you made it out?
Reception redeployment.
Yeah,
Failure
okay.
means
You
elimination.
guys help me.
You've got a loadout drop in.
Oh, okay, so you must be the one I revived. Then.
Yeah, and then I revived myself.
Hey, at least you made it out. At least you made it out. Fuck.
Taking effective fire! Get to the new safe zone. Incoming! Enemy eliminated. Squad mate redeployed. They're redeploying now.
Alright, I'm gonna land it on a loadie wherever one's at.
Back in the fight!
Where are you shooting?
Yeah, helicopter.
Oh. Oh.
They downed it.
Gas is coming in. Gas is coming in. Gotta go. Gotta go.
Yeah, I got 56 seconds. Let's see what's in this building.
Squad mate redeployed. Squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now.
Any plates? Any armor?
I got one.
This guy's shooting from across the fucking map, dude. Dropped 2 fucking plates.
Time to get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, let's go.
Let me put this trophy system on here.
Okay.
Pick that up. We got our shit.
Alright.
We're back. We're back. I should get shot.
I'm working.
Head to the safe zone.
Oh, there's 2 more.
How the fuck is it dead?
I can't get out. Oh.
I killed him.
Final mag.
The whole team showed up at the same time.
This is ass and a half. There's a buy station. Oh, never mind. It's gone.
Reinforcing armor.
Oh, but it's time to move. Oh, but it's time to move.
I'm gonna take this tower.
Yeah, it's definitely time to get the fuck out of Dodge.
I don't have enough time to take the tower. Take the ATV.
Fuck, whoever's climbing that ladder, you better climb it faster.
I climbed it. I'm already out. I climbed it. I'm already out. I spider monkeyed that shit. I spider monkeyed that shit.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Steal that helicopter. Oh, sniper. There's oh shit, that's a lot of snipers.
That's 3 snipers.
Time to airstrike them. This shit pisses me off.
I broke his armor.
16 rounds. Out.
Oh, they're pushing. Oh, they took the helicopter. They knew we were gonna steal it.
Ah!
Get out of smoke, guys.
Ah!
You guys are just hanging out. I don't know what Blue's doing. Oh, he's getting chicken nuggets again, damn it.
Hey, I don't care. I took out their fucking helicopter, so I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that.
Good job.
Sorry, I was sending a message.
I'm over here.
Wait, I just died in the smoke?
So what? To
So
the
did-
Reaper?
Well, yeah, you were sending a message instead of fucking.
Yeah, shit, dude. Somebody, old friend just hit me up. I haven't played with forever because he's been in college, and he just sent me a message. He's like, "Oh, I haven't been on forever, dude. It's good to see you're on. How are you?" and whatnot. And
Yeah, I'm dying. I'm dead. I let my team down.
I let my team down. Exactly.
That's so fucked up.
It's okay if you buy me back.
That's what I gotta say to him.
Oh yeah.
Oh fuck.
Is there even buyback
I don't even
stations?
have the fucking money.
I do.
There's no bot.
What?
Take my money off my corpse.
Oh, enemy dropping in. Enemy's dropping in on the roof. Dropping in on the roof. The fire. To the fire. To the left of you, Ghost. To the left.
Can you do another one? Do another one.
Nice. Nice.
I'm watching Gilly get it.
No, get out of there, cause there's a team.
Yeah, come back this way to him. Run them into him.
Gas is inbound. Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
Where the fuck did this dude go?
That is my mother. She said she wasn't coming. Why would she let me? I don't know. That's your mom? She's not good for your dad.
Oh yeah, they're all up in that building.
Yeah, what am I gonna do with that?
Oh, you motherfucker, dude. Whatever.
I got you. Damn. Got you. Damn.
Yeah, he bopped her.
Well, cause I wasn't paying attention to him as I was paying attention to the car.
Oh.
Oh, we got somebody with specialists out there.
Hello? My mother is across the street having dinner with Jack.
He's right in front of you too, like right outside your window, dead ahead. Oh, they're gonna run him over. There he is. Yeah, they smashed him. Nice. Fuck him.
Yes. Oh shit.
He's bringing his buddy back.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Hey.
Oh no, there's a specialist over there. Turn around, specialist.
There you go.
Grab that shit.
There you go.
And that money.
Now get the fuck out of there. Now get the fuck out of there.
Oh, he didn't grab the money though.
No. No.
He's like, fuck the money. Yeah, but not enough
Pick
to
up
bring
mine.
us all back. That would have been enough to bring us all back with a one slab jack.
Shh, shh, shh. Stop talking.
Come here, Ferdinand. Come here, Ferdinand.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, there's a lot of people.
Yeah.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
Enemy advanced UAV overhead. Your squad pays for your release. Get ready
Sweet.
to redeploy.
Sweet.
I'm back on station.
Or you can talk now. It's just they can hear comms. I didn't want you to clap before I could bite you back. There it
My
is.
bad, I died. I died.
I died too.
No.
Alright. I brought Mama back.
Away from you.
I don't have a gun.
Okay.
Not a good game. Okay, I'll go start chicken nuggets before game start.
Whoa, we'll buy you back, dude. Chill out.
Sweet.
Time for a fight.
I'm chill.
Be ready. You're next.
Super chill.
Look around.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Watching bot.
Damn.
Early redeployment. New safe zone location.
Damn. I almost made it over the fucking
It's
fence.
up to you now. Supply crates have been restocked. Load up. Gas is closing in. You've got gas moving in. You're the target of a most. Your squad mate is marked as a most wanted target. Kill enemies and secure supply caches to help remove the bounty on their head.
Turn him over.
Nope, no plates.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit, that's a helicopter. Nope.
Yeah.
What the fuck? It's another helicopter.
There you go. Steal that one.
Going off.
Gas is closing in. Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Or is my mic fucking going off?
You've made it. You're in the top 10. Keep knocking them down. Losing ground, moving.
Oh, they're trying to. Hit you with a missile.
Yeah.
They probably could. They could probably broadside the fucking barn. I watched
So
both those two
cool.
missiles go right past him. I was like, wow, wow.
So did I.
Great, loadout's gonna be right in the center.
Gas moving in. Closing safe zone. Relocating
Oh, that
safe zone.
sucks.
No, sir.
That was close.
You're in the top 3. You're in the top 3. Don't let up now.
It's crazy that somebody has a loadout prepared for that.
Yeah, we're gonna drop in on Lodi.
I dropped fucking helicopter. Fucking hands.
Right? Right?
You've got gas moving in.
There we go.
You've achieved the objective.
Alright, so what we do with it?
Contract complete. No more fighting in the Gulag.
How the fuck?
Only 2 left. Only 2 left. Reloading! I got you!
Get her. Oh no.
Nope. He shot. Somebody shot me.
Gas is inbound. New safe zone. Well, I like that. All enemy squads
Nice,
eliminated.
nice.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
work.
Very nice. Very nice.
We just happened to get stuck with some okay guys at the end. Instead of some hardcore killers. That guy was like ducking behind a tree. Should have just kept shooting. He would have killed me. I had no plates. I had no plates. Like, and like a bar of fucking health. He decided to duck behind the tree and start plating up instead. And he had me dead to rights.
I just dropped my killers in. Got the watch.
You stayed up in the helicopter?